Dry skin needs a facial wash that cleanses effectively without stripping moisture or causing irritation. Using harsh cleansers can worsen dryness, flakiness, and discomfort. To solve this, we've reviewed the best facial washes for dry skin, focusing on hydration, gentle cleansing, and barrier protection. From creamy, soothing washes to lightweight hydrating formulas, these top 5 products ensure your skin remains soft, smooth, and comfortable. Let's dive into each facial wash to understand its features, benefits, and why it's ideal for dry skin. Kicking off our list at number 1, Aveeno Calm Plus. Restore the Aveeno Calm Plus. Restore Facial Wash is specially formulated for dry, sensitive skin. Infused with calming oat extract, it gently cleanses without stripping natural oils. Its creamy, non-foaming texture removes dirt, oil, and impurities while soothing irritation and redness. Ideal for daily use, this facial wash supports the skin barrier, leaving the skin hydrated, balanced, and comfortable. It's perfect for anyone experiencing tightness, dryness, or sensitivity, offering a reliable solution for gentle cleansing while promoting overall skin health. Key features: contains oat extract for soothing and calming. Non-foaming creamy texture. Soap-free, fragrance-free, and suitable for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage. Apply to damp skin, gently massage, and rinse with lukewarm water. Removes impurities while hydrating and calming irritation. Daily use enhances skin comfort, restores moisture balance, and prevents flakiness. Oat extract reduces redness and supports barrier function, making the skin soft, smooth, and resilient. Usability. Spreads easily, rinses cleanly, and does not leave a tight or sticky feeling. Suitable for morning and evening routines. Works well with serums and moisturizers for enhanced hydration. Durability. Comes in a sturdy pump bottle for controlled use. Long-lasting formula maintains consistency and effectiveness over months of regular use. In the second spot, we have Bioderma Hydrabio Wash. Bioderma Hydrabio Wash is designed for dehydrated and sensitive skin. Its gentle, soap-free formula effectively removes impurities while replenishing moisture. Enriched with aquagenium and active moisturizing agents, it restores the skin's natural hydration levels and soothes irritation. Ideal for daily cleansing, this wash leaves the skin soft, supple, and refreshed without causing tightness or dryness. It's perfect for anyone struggling with dull, dehydrated skin that requires both cleansing and hydration in one product. Key features. Contains aquagenium for moisture restoration. Soap-free, gentle formula. Fragrance-free and suitable for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage. Apply a small amount to damp face, massage gently, and rinse. Cleanses effectively while replenishing hydration and calming sensitivity. Daily use restores skin's moisture balance, smooths texture, and enhances radiance. Aquagenium stimulates natural hydration processes, leaving the skin comfortable and protected from dryness. Usability. Smooth. Creamy texture spreads easily, rinses without residue, and doesn't leave a tight feeling. Suitable for use morning and night and pairs well with moisturizers and serums. Durability. Comes in a secure, practical bottle. Long-lasting product with consistent performance, maintaining its hydrating and cleansing benefits over time. Coming in at number 3 is the Fresh Soy Facial Wash Fresh. Soy Facial Wash is a gentle, hydrating cleanser suitable for dry and sensitive skin types. With amino acid-rich soy proteins and cucumber extract, it effectively removes dirt, oil, and makeup while maintaining skin's natural moisture. Its gel cream texture cleanses without foam, leaving the skin soft, balanced, and refreshed. Perfect for daily use, it promotes hydration, calms irritation, and protects the skin barrier, making it ideal for those seeking a gentle yet effective solution for dry skin care. Key features. Contains soy proteins and cucumber extract. Gel cream texture for gentle cleansing. Fragrance-free and suitable for all sensitive skin types. Benefits and usage. Massage onto damp skin, then rinse thoroughly. Cleanses impurities without stripping moisture, soothes irritation, and restores softness. Daily use supports skin hydration, barrier function, and comfort, while leaving skin smooth and refreshed. Amino acids help maintain natural moisture, reducing tightness and dryness. Usability. Gel cream formula spreads easily, rinses cleanly, and feels light on the skin. Ideal for morning and evening routines and compatible with serums and moisturizers. Durability, packaged in a high-quality pump bottle. Long-lasting formula ensures consistent cleansing and hydration benefits over months of use. Taking our fourth spot is Vanicream Gentle Wash Vanicream. Gentle Facial Cleanser is designed for ultra-sensitive and dry skin. Free from dyes, fragrances, parabens, and harsh chemicals, it provides a mild yet effective cleanse that preserves skin's natural moisture. Its creamy, non-foaming texture removes dirt, oil, and makeup without irritation or dryness. Suitable for daily use, this cleanser is ideal for those with reactive or extremely dry skin, ensuring the skin remains soft, comfortable, and protected while maintaining the natural barrier. Key features: free from common irritants like dyes, fragrance, and parabens. Creamy, non-foaming texture. Hypoallergenic and dermatologist tested for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: apply to damp skin, massage gently, and rinse with lukewarm water. Removes impurities while maintaining hydration and soothing sensitivity. Daily use strengthens the skin barrier, reduces dryness, and prevents tightness. Perfect for sensitive and reactive skin prone to irritation. Usability: gentle, smooth texture spreads easily and rinses cleanly. Suitable for morning and evening cleansing routines. Works well with moisturizers, serums, and other skincare products. Durability: comes in a sturdy bottle with secure cap. Long-lasting formula maintains texture and efficacy, providing months of reliable, gentle cleansing and hydration. And finally, at number 5, we have Kiehl's Ultra Facial Wash. Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser is a gentle, hydrating face wash ideal for dry and sensitive skin. Enriched with apricot kernel oil and glacial glycoprotein, it cleanses impurities while maintaining moisture balance. Non-foaming and lightweight, this cleanser effectively removes dirt, oil, and environmental debris without leaving the skin tight or dry. Suitable for daily use, it ensures a soft, hydrated, and refreshed complexion, supporting the skin's natural barrier and providing long-lasting comfort. Key features: contains apricot kernel oil and glacial glycoprotein for hydration. Non-foaming, gentle, and lightweight formula. Suitable for dry and sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: apply to damp skin, massage gently, and rinse thoroughly. Removes dirt and impurities while replenishing moisture and calming dryness. Daily use strengthens the skin barrier, enhances softness, and protects against environmental stressors. Hydrating ingredients maintain skin comfort throughout the day. Usability: creamy texture spreads easily and rinses cleanly without residue. Suitable for both morning and night routines. Compatible with other skincare products like moisturizers and serums for enhanced hydration. Durability: packaged in a high-quality bottle or tube with secure closure. Long-lasting formula maintains its gentle cleansing and hydrating performance over months of regular use. Selecting the right facial wash for dry skin is crucial to maintain hydration, comfort, and barrier health. These top 5 facial washes for dry skin offer gentle cleansing, soothing ingredients, and long-lasting moisture. From oat-infused calming washes to lightweight hydrating gels, each product ensures your skin stays soft, smooth, and refreshed every day. Incorporate any of these cleansers into your daily routine to prevent dryness, irritation, and tightness, while keeping your skin balanced, healthy, and beautifully hydrated.